Hello guys and welcome back, this time with an update for the BNB Flashloan bot, what will now also loan different alt tokens as well, which generates even more profit. So let's start with the first step to download MetaMask. First you need to download MetaMask, and from now on it only works with MetaMask. And I also often become the question if it works on your mobile phone. This bot only works on Windows, Linux and Mac OS, and the supported browsers you see down here. So I recommend you to use Google Chrome, because this is also what I use in this case as well. So after the installation, just follow the process to create your MetaMask wallet. And if you did that, just open MetaMask, click over here and click on Add Network. Then this window will appear and fulfill everything from the Binance Smartchain Academy to actually put in the smart chain into your MetaMask wallet as well, so that you have the opportunity to receive and trade with BNBs. When you finish this process, open Remix. You will find this link in the video description as well. Go to deploy and run transaction. Under environment, choose inject Web3. Then the right account should appear after you connected it. So just click here on connect. I did it already. And then the green circle should appear, and here, just for confirmation, your account should also appear. It always shows on Ether because Remix is normally built for Ethereum, but in this case it's BNB. Now go to File Explorer and create a new file. We can call it whatever we want. I call it now Thai BNB loan. And just what we need to do now is to pass in the actually code string. Just click here, copy to clipboard, pass it in, go back to compiler and choose the right compiler version. In this case we are using compiler version 0.5.0 plus commit. Oh, not actually 0.5.0 plus commit, my bad. Then it loads. Click here on compiler. This can take a while. And when everything worked fine, this green mark should appear here. So when we did that, we go over to deploy. And here we gave our token a name. We call it now, just for the purpose of the video, TI BNB. And the symbol is TI. You can choose also whatever you want. Only this here is right now important. So the loan amount that I often get asked, you can change in 100 steps per 0.1 BNB or just leave it default at 1000. We are using, in this case, 5 BNB, so we set it to 5000. And after that, just hit the transact button, confirm the payment, just wait now a while. I give you, in this case now, also a quick breakdown of the code as well, to explain you guys how the bot is able to also loan different alt tokens as well. The bot processes multiple loans at once. So basically you execute with this bot when you provide 0.5 BNB between 300 to 400 loans at once. When you provide more initial funds, this number grows exponentially. That's why me and also other people on the Discord often recommend people to start loans with at least 1 BNB to get much better results, because the bot also takes a percentage of the profit it generates and looking for more flash loan opportunities. This is especially good if you want to use this bot as a passive income source. So as an example, if you let your bot run between 1 or 2 weeks. But no worries, the generated profit and also the initial funds you can withdraw afterwards as well. There's no loss. I will show you this later on in this video as well. Often people ask me what is the difference between the BNB and the Ethereum version. And that's quite simple. The BNB version only can interact with the BSC chain. That's also one reason when I say if you want to maximize your profit, to check out the Ethereum version, because on the Ethereum version you have much higher fees, so there's less competition, and the daily volume in Ethereum network is 15 times higher in average compared to the Binance Smartchain. So if you're interested in even maximize your flash loan profits, I suggest you to check out my Ethereum flash loan bot as well. So let's continue with the next step. You finally actually created the contract. All we need to do now is to top up our contract with the initial funds. In this case, as I already said, we are providing 5 BNB as our initial funds. Send it to the contract. Hit confirm. Now we need to wait a few seconds until the actual transaction goes through. And also often the people ask me why you update your code and what is the update. To clarify this, in this case now, the bot is now also able to swap amount in DAI and into DAI into all other major alt tokens in the Binance Smart Chain to even generate more profits. All we need to do now is click here and hit the action button. Pay also the last miner fee. Confirm it. And this can also take it now a few seconds. Okay, when you see here the green mark appears, then basically the bot is running. To show you guys a few profits, I let the bot now run 2 to 3 hours and show you the generated profits the bot created. So welcome back, guys. So roughly 3 hours passed away. So let's just withdraw our initial funds first. Just click on confirm. Now wait a few seconds until the transaction goes through. And now let's check out how much profit we actually made. So in this time period we made around 1.2 BNB. What is actually really good results, but you can expect with that amount something between 0.5 BNB up to 2 BNB in 3 hours. So when you have any kind of question regarding the bot, you can just message me on Discord. And I also want to say thank you to everyone to help me out in the Discord and gave me some helpful input. This was everything. Hope you're getting good results from this update front run bot, and see you guys in my next video.